And if I could just train Cody to dig stumps up, I'd be in good shape. I wouldn't have to do it myself. But he just likes to sniff around and try to get out of the yard every now and then. Anyway, this is one of the stumps. This is a birch stump that we had close to our house. And I decided to go ahead and take it out before it fell on the house. It was a healthy tree, but we get winds from the south. And this would be southwest, and that would be northeast. And we get the winds coming from this way, blowing in that direction. So I thought it would be good to get the trees out away from the house. So all the trees on the property have been cut down that are tall enough to strike the house and break it. Well, we've had this down for a couple of years now, several years actually, in fact maybe 5 years, and you can see where it's rotten, but that doesn't necessarily mean it isn't solid underneath. That thing could be just as solid as the day it was cut, or it could just be rotten and break apart pretty easy with the machine. But here's the cedar stump that I got to remove as well. Actually got good size there. It's about 24 inches on or about. Here's our peach tree, and we hope that it's going to do better this year. Now we're going to turn this into a little orchard out here. So we'll get the backhoe all warmed up, and we'll come over here and we'll get started with this rotten stump over here. Hopefully that stump will come out easy, because we have the foundation to the house only about maybe 5 feet away. Anyway, I'll go ahead and get the backhoe all fired up and warmed up, and start working on this. Well, that does it for the birch stump. Yeah, a lot of the roots on that were decayed enough to where they were easy enough to break, and I could keep the hole small enough to where I could stay away from the foundation on the house. So that worked out great. Okay, now I gotta go work on the cedar stump and get that out of the ground, and I'll haul these stumps off together. looks like we did it. Now I'm just gonna have to take and clean up some of the roots around here, separate some of that stuff and haul the roots and stump away. Hope you had fun watching. Take care and God bless.